everyone, welcome to the channel. So in this video, I'm going to share with you whether it is possible and what are the risks in converting your SPaylater to Gcash. Now, before you can activate SPaylater on your Shopee account, ensure that you meet the requirements, which are your Shopee account must be fully registered and verified. Your Shopee account should be at least 3 months old. Regular transactions on your Shopee account can also improve your eligibility and ensure that you have the latest version of the Shopee app installed. Converting SPaylater to Gcash, it's not possible since SP is exclusively used for the Orange app. There are no workarounds in converting it to cash since it's gonna be detected by the system. And it is also said that S-Loan is what is convertible to Gcash, not the SPaylater credit. Just to support the detail, a community forum in Reddit says that there are people that attempted to do this, but it's more safe to use S-Loan instead of SPaylater that you want to convert to Gcash. So in conclusion, whether possible or not, it's more safe to use S-Loan instead of SPaylater that you want to convert to Gcash.